one thing you've done is cut out a lot of the crap, cut to the point, cut to the chase. So even the strategic plan, how we got to that so quickly was fantastic. So and what you've done is you've given us lots of tools, I think. Lots of good tools to maybe now start ramping up and maybe making that trajectory towards a high performing team a lot faster, and maybe we'll get there a lot sooner than we probably would have without you. Definitely.
There's been a lot of value here, not just in the soft stuff, but also in the operational stuff. And I think if we actually follow through with it and we commit to doing that and we hold ourselves accountable to it, I think it's going to be exciting 3 years from now.
I think that you've offered some really valuable insights into how Omnii as an organisation can improve, how we as an overall leadership team can improve,